Ano yung sabihin ng double chance na option? Mid ako. Okay, gets. Ito ka ba? Ibig sabihin?
My celestial brothers beckon.
Walk to a motherfucker.
I do not hesitate.
Chip, spit or swallow?
For battle.
Ano, pumiyok pa oh. Buto minsan ang pumipiyok ka, pumiyok pa ngayon. Grabe. Chip, ano gusto mo, Chip? Or swallow, Chip? Okay, huwag ka na masalita to. May Slayer ka?
So, okay, Nick, uminom ako tubig.
Vessel.
Yes. May slayer ako, Nick.
Hindi ka vessel dito? Vessel game oh?
Yoko niyan.
Yes.
There.
May Slayer kasi ako, wala akong bang bibili.
Sige, gusto mo ikaw? Sige, pwede. Ay lang.
Katasawa ko, tol. Sabi, uy, spin to. Yes.
30
I am
seconds.
not
Bali, split yung mas priority. Uy, taka, ano natin, ang hata natin, Nick?
Ano yung smoke?
Nag-smoke na tayo.
the time is right.
Gago.
Wait lang, puta pa control.
The mortal way.
Putang. Wala na mga tao.
Never a false step.
The
No,
battle begins.
Nalap.
everything is in place.
Oh? Ba't na ganun? Hindi counted dyan or what? Bagla siguro, no? Hindi nag-count yung kuno ng bounty.
Chip.
Ay.
Break ako.
Okay, bahala ka dyan. Nick, gago game na, ah.
Right.
Dalawang CS na yun namin mismo, baliw.
Ulul.
No cap. Tagal mo.
OA ka, putang ina mo.
Do I choose this path? The
Putang
enemy
OA, Chip.
It was always so. I am under attack. A small adjustment. They test my patience. Each step taken. It seems promising.
Break you.
Dire structures are
Echo
fortified.
from the void. I know the way. Patience.
Galang mo, masyado akong mainit eh. Daya.
Sight comes before foresight with purpose.
Oh.
I do not hesitate. A minor correction. What chance have you?
Puta, legit ba? Bulag ka ba? Legit tayo sa'yo.
I know the way.
Aray!
Wait, I am under attack.
Puta, legit tayo.
Radiant's
Putang
turret
ina.
has been killed.
The enemy strikes. Nothing comes.
Okay, kala ko content mo lang yung pagiging iyakin pagka kampi mo ko, no? Ganyan pala talaga personality mo.
In preparation.
Sa papit ko to.
Radiant's
Upon the strength of premonition.
Ganun yan iiwan to eh.
Can pressure mid, guys, if you guys want. Use catapult so the others will react here.
Kung B nata, pwede mag-mid.
Never a false step.
Just ignore BB. Just go block camps.
You cannot
Ang
touch
kumater kung pressure yun, hindi.
Burn of shadows.
Yaging malala.
Other options are mere illusion. It won't keep for long. Manual relocation. With purpose.
Mga yeah.
You can have a look here too, bro.
Natural
We can actually contest the XP if you want.
Need nyo ata invade chip, it's
Oo.
start. Madaming stock yan.
We can go there,
void resonance.
SF ng TP.
It's like try to connect to us, ha?
Always so.
I think there's a lot of stock here, maybe. There's a XP, guys. There's a XP. Let's go, let's go.
Do you think I've not seen this? No longer hidden.
Pagka gusto ko pa i-contest niya, Nick, pwede pa ako mag-TP dyan.
Saka di sila contest dito.
I walk the mortal.
Kasi nung scan yan. Oo, yung puta.
Oh, damay pa ako dyan, ha?
Could it be otherwise?
Your middle tower is under attack.
Nakita mo yung ano, Bane? Pa, ano, ha? Top.
Going top yun. Dalawa. Pressure ng mid
Avoid
bottom.
patience.
Yes ako.
Ah.
Your top tower is under attack.
Uy, putang ina ka. Di nalasit yun. Diablo.
Moving without traveling. Threat that looms. In preparation.
TP nga ka, Nick. Patay ka na.
Walk the hidden
May lane ops. Possible sa likod.
always watching.
May ops na dito.
Your singular focus blinds you to the real matters at hand. I know that. No longer hidden. Oblivion pulse. I walk the mortal way. It was always so.
Classic.
The void beckons.
Just play with yung two supports. May kanalulog ka ng rune.
The void path proceeds.
May nakuha kayong stock, no?
Do you think
Wala. Na-farm na nila to kanina. Pero madami yung stock pa din sa Triangle.
Mary
Yung ano nila, ancient nila.
Hindi nga
Oh.
tayo nag-leave ng ops.
creation is messy?
Pag nakatat.
Dire structures
In
are fortified.
preparation.
Balas naman ang mukha mo.
Keep. Naka-TP o 20 pag nag-attack sila mid.
Not
Nanid. Ano mo lang, Nick? Focus ka lang dyan.
other options are mere illusion.
Ito mo sa patay, no?
With
It's like,
purpose.
when you have diffusal, let's kill him. Did you buy diffusal?
Ikaw dito.
Pressure ko na lang tong mid nila dyan.
Kami. Puta yun, smoke ang patok. Swerte. Okay lang. Worth it to pag hindi namatay mga support.
I am under attack. Moving, there's nowhere not like to be touched.
Dami mo dalawang
My
support.
patience.
I can go bottom, bro. Wait me.
Total 6.
Walk
Ano,
the
keep.
hidden path. Out of strength.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Tipping. Go.
Procession. I took a short. It seems
Your
promised.
bottom tower is under attack.
I refocus. Naturally,
Lagi nila ulit ako.
I have vessel, no?
spirit vessel. No.
Ano ikaw ron?
Malayo pa ako, wala akong TP. Si OG ano yan, tol, yung SF.
False step.
Gulat nga ako nag-carry siya, tapos di siya nag-ayo. Gagan.
OG Anal. Just take top. Wow, ano
Your
naman.
middle tower is
Gawin ako, Nick.
Steel grip? Oh, yung di na ako yung grip. Ingat nga, wala na ako.
Good lang. We can still watch, like, we're still so stuck in here, guys, ha?
Seems promised.
This one.
Aspect of myself.
Total needs to die. Yung McTeasy, oh.
Renenic.
Yata ni King
Tawag.
Bob.
Tawag yan,
Kasi
nag-debate.
serious. Baited.
Your
Laban nga ako,
bottom
di na
tower
ako
is
yung
under
brief.
attack.
Novel.
Daway na kami. Daway na kami.
The mortal way.
I'll go here. This one.
With per twice the measure of fiery focus. You'll not interfere in I push the future ever further towards my own end. The natural course.
Ito.
By an aspect of myself.
Gold Keep, ang galing mo pala mag-mid eh. Ba't ka nagsusupport?
The first light.
Masaya kasi ako, Nick, pagka naiinis ka eh.
Wise.
Buking ina mo nga, pag ganun. Ikaw na wala agad. Bigla na nawalan ng boses, Keep, gago.
Patahi ka. Ang ina kasi, tanong ka ng tanong ng spit or swallow ba naman eh.
Putang ina mo,
Kanang
napapaos
ina.
ako.
Mission.
Ang ina ka eh.
Bro, legit question,
Do
Keep,
you
spit
think
or
I'm
swallow?
not serious?
Mas pakipare ko talaga, ano. Ult me. Nice, fine. Baka na, binate mo sana ako.
The void path proceeds.
Puta, may ward dito. Ward here.
Patience.
Patawad. Malapit pa, Keep. Tulungan mo yan.
The enemy's bottom tower is falling.
Sayang ka. Mamatay ako?
Gago ka.
Putang ina ka talaga?
Patay na ako dun eh.
Kung ina mo, audition. Patay ka doon, nag-audition.
Buhay siya, buhay.
Patay. Kapitas kasi yung boy, pep.
Prope! Ang tanga nyo rin, oh. Sabi ko, patay na ako. Iisip mo pa sa akin, ngusuhan kita.
Your
Reset
bottom
the map.
tower is under attack.
Ano sinabi ang ngungusuan kita?
Sila. They'll be here. Big jungle.
The natural
Walang run.
course. Void sentinel. They test my
Pogo ka niya.
Naimbot na ano yun, matanggal yun. Gago.
in preparation.
Di natin kaya, no? Ba't natanggal yun? Ano, sa kung ano na.
With purpose.
Kailangan natin umalis.
One step up. Kaya ko.
Look out.
Di talaga kaya.
Other option.
Your top tower is under attack.
Stronger team fight sila.
Touch me.
Your top
An
tower
echo
is
from
falling.
the void. Made for felling.
Ayun yan.
Premonition.
Nagigi tayo. Max mo ako.
Mary chase you. You cannot touch the. I am under attack.
Sama yung sa trantubuhan itong gagong.
Out of step.
Don't react. Please side. BKB to fight.
The void. I am everywhere. Could it be otherwise? Patience.
Keep nakakatibibig ko, Keep. Gusto mo magalit, legit.
Legit ba? Sa sarili mo ba to o sa kampi mo?
The natural course. Let none pass. Is always
Kaya
so.
ako.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Patay ka.
Do I
Ba't
choose
nag-pokti
this?
na agad? Sino nag-pokti ng mali? Putang ina.
Putang ina, nakakabat.
Putang ina, sino nag-pokti nun?
Your
Grabe.
middle
Busog na
barracks
tayo,
are
no?
under attack.
Yata natin kaya talaga.
Yata, sinasapak din siya sa mid eh. Nagigi tayo.
Kaya kailangan. Antayin natin mawala igis. Kaya natin.
Your middle barracks is falling.
Putang ina ka na, go pa ako! Tay pa ako.
The enemy's top tower is falling.
Ay, bayat ako.
Go, patay yung ano, Storm.
Yakot lang.
Go ka, patay si ano, Tol. Maktizi.
Travel, I appear
Hala!
in my proper place.
Boy ako, nasa bottom sila.
Okay, nice one, Chip. Sobrang galing mo talaga, legit. Sobrang cool mo.
Gago, wala silang ano tol, oh.
What?
Mawawala sila ng ages, tas wala silang requiem, tol. Hindi ba game time? May ano ba to?
Ano, nabuhay si Bulot. Si, ano, Easy.
Guys, we have BKB Senon's like they don't have requirement ages, guys. Maybe it's time to go.
Be otherwise.
Tawag BKB niya talaga,
This one.
literal.
No, Bane ulti to. No, Bane ulti. Come on, come on. Kill this guy.
A void for procession. As I guard
To the left, don't die on support.
Run first, run first. Can be a good fight, ha? Can be a good fight. No requiem, no requiem. Remove bisa.
your final gasp serves as
Which way?
balance to the whirlwinds of destruction. Everything in its time.
Go at tayo area. Let's go here, Spore.
I must be
Yeah.
attentive.
Iwala akong manta dito.
Bring in Void together.
Sama ako, sama ako.
Do
Wala
I
manta.
choose this method?
Tapusin na natin. Ay, ito.
Okay lang. Pamid na lang ako. Pwede ako tumira ka sa mid.
Okay.
So, mag-
Manual
Pwede ako show.
relocation.
Stay behind me on the ring. I can hit.
Easy way. The face. Oblivion pulse.
Wawa naman to ko.
Okay. Okay. Ang mana. Auto lang.
Bye-bye, Mix.
Anong lalaba? Patay ata. Pogo ko.
Nice.
The remnant. I walk the hidden path.
Putang bastos ng pwesto ni Esep na. Putang na.
In preparation.
Gogo, patay ako. Utang ina mo. Gusto ko, patay nga ako. Ang ina ka, nabalikan yung bata. Ina kasi.
Chip! Yet namatay ka, Chip. Number 1 punch pa rin ako.
Takantado.
Lun, taplun.
Gago, mag-ano ata ako dito tol, ito.
Anong ginagawa ang dalawang support natin niya? Group hug.
Yung ano ko, no? Ito ako, gago.
Item mo.
Disperser, Nika.
3D.
Disperser!
Forms.
Natural course.
Andiyan ka na eh.
Smoke
Gagawin
rin
ko.
to. You're also smoke. Kala ko ba back.
Just get the area first.
I am not ready.
Isa pa
The
naman tayo.
void path proceeds.
Tatlo. Oh, dami natin smoke.
With
Kaya ba natin patayin niya ako? Hindi natin kaya, no?
Then late na late. Why we smoke again?
Yung... Okay ka lang?
Naligo na pike niya.
I walk the mortal way.
Reset first, reset first. Ano, mamatay?
In
Daya.
preparation.
Maybe we still need to poke them?
No requiem, no grip.
I move beyond the boundary.
Gogo, nagkamuli ako ng tipinik, patay ka.
Do you think I've not seen this?
Let's still try? Let's still try?
Moving without
Coming,
travel.
coming.
Siya magmadali, tol.
No longer hidden. Positive subtraction.
Your shrine has fallen into the dark.
Gago ko, nag-in ka dyan. Sino ba kalaban?
Saan talaga wala.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I encompass all.
Set up obs here. We can fight us three. And slowly gonna
GG.
cross.
Novel.
Target. Total hex, careful.
A void.
We can still try to look here. We're kinda strong here. Oh, no, SF, no SF.
Go, 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 go.
It was always so.
Patay ka.
Sige tayo.
Kalinin mo yan.
Connection.
Uy!
Ano lang si mag-visit bro. Chip, patayin mo yun, Chip. Oh,
Naburst na naman kasi si Slark, Nick. Tangina naman na ito.
o tawag yan, Chip. Di niya ginamit yung shard niya, Chip.
Ang gago naman to.
Puta, tamad mag-viper.
Oh, ikaw pumik niyan. Wala ka namang sinadjust ko sa'yo yan. Nagtampo ka.
Attack.
Puta, lamang kami una. Putang anong lane yan.
Patawad.
Gigi tayo, Chip.
Gago, kaya ba to, Nick? Depende lang natin to. Pagka buhay ka na, pwede ako mag-buyback pagka go time.
Is under attack.
So, na mamatay, Chip.
Radiant's
Let's try to depend with the Viper. I can buy back if they commit. We can kill him twice, guys. The SF.
attack.
There's still 3 heroes, ha?
Your bottom tower is falling.
Start going on him, guys.
Your
Start going on him.
bottom barracks are under attack.
Let's go, let's go.
TP out yung ano, isa. Ang ina mo, naka-blink out.
Nothing. With the
Uy, putang ina mo! Patay ka! Adagyak! Patay tayo, Nick! Ina ka, hindi ko na...
Chip. Dali natin mag-regroup.
Patay tayo dun.
Yeah.
Hindi nakakayak yung bata.
Radiant's turret has been killed.
Doon tayo nadali, bro. Kumbaga si Broski doon nadali. Yung napansin ko. Bang, bang. Bang, alam mo, may style.
Anong BKB dun? Who gets? Ay, gigi tayo.
Tulungan niya yan. Wala ko.
Masakit na, no?
Dali tayo, Nick.
Chip, kung may sisihin ka, Chip, ako na lang.
Uy, Nick, gago. Huwag ka pa sad boy. Baliw. Hindi naman tayo competitive level.
Chip, puta sila yung nalit ko. Laro to, grabe.
Ah!
Tang inang Dota to.
Nice try, Nick. Nice try. Kain ka muna spaghetti, baliw. FM tayo.
Is under attack.
Hinga ka muna malalim.
Your middle tower has fallen.
Ano, ayaw na mag-Dota.
Your ancient
Putang
is
inang
under
laro to.
attack. Dire victory.